Welcome you all. I am Karthikeyan, Assistant Professor of Computer Science, Government Arts and Science College, Valparai. In this video, I will show you PowerPoint presentation to show animation techniques for the university syllabus. The recent times have been trying to create animation techniques, graphics, three main objectives. The first one, these animations should be easy for anyone to create. The second thing, they should be practically useful, that is, the slides you could create based on these techniques should be used in your next presentation. Third one, the result should be beautiful. So, if anyone asks you where you learn the techniques, you should be able to presentation process. Then today's video makes those three objectives and what you going to learn today look like this.
Ready, sir.
Then next, what are the topics covered in animation techniques syllabus? Unit 1. What is meant by animation? Why we need animation? History of animation, uses of animation, types of animation, principles of animation, some techniques of animation, animation on the web, 3D animation, special effects, creating animation. Okay, next, what is meant by animation? Animation is exactly meaning is illusion of motion. Illusion of motion means continuous images displaying on the screen. So, animation is the simulation of movement created by a series of illustration and photographics displayed in a rapid succession. Various videography takes continuous motion into discrete frames. Animation is important because it makes be able to tell stories and communicate emotional ideas easy to perceive. Every one person, children to adult people, to those who are understanding easily to create the animation. We used computer generated simple combination with two shapes, neither body or face, any other morphological feature used in animation. Various videography takes continuous motion into discrete formats. Next, why we need animation? Animation can help connect people throughout the world in a writing, action films or not. Animation is only medium that can bring fantastic to life. We all grow with legendary Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck, Cherry Connect with our memories. Cartoons, gaming, business, animation has created every industry. The next, history of animation. Where animation first comes to life, the concept of storytelling has been around countries. The magic Latin in the 1650s, first real image projectors telling the story through motion has been happening forever. Next, 1832, Joseph Plato was first widespread animation come to place created in the persistence of vision. Persistence of vision means illusion of motion. When multiple images blend into a single moving image in the brain is called persistence of vision.
Ready, sir.
In 1834, William George Horner created similar picture projector putting the drawings inside the down in a circular fashion. Next, 19 is created for creating the first ever animation is called Enchanted Drawing. In 1906, he has into create silent film where drawings on a blackboard captured using 20 frames per second. Per second, create 20 frames is called humorous face of funny faces. Next, uses of animation. Animation, the word comes from the animate from the Latin word. The animation means give life to imagination. Animation is used to create models essential research and study. Next, animation allows to create 3D realistic model, allow diagram, etc. Education and training. Animation is used for not only education purpose. The world any other purpose, any other field used for animation. The main important thing is education and training. Education is mainly used for animation field. Animation is used in school, colleges, training centers and aircrafts. Next, entertainment. Entertainment field now commonly used in cartoon, video games, television, etc. Next, advertising. Advertising field is mainly used for very less space capture people attention. Next, presentation. Presentation is most effective way to present effective ideas. Next, types of animation. The animation has basically 5 types. First one, traditional animation, 2D vector based animation, 3D computer animation, motion graphics, stop motion.
Ready, sir.
Next, traditional animation. 5 types of animation. First one is traditional animation. Traditional animation is one of the older form of animation. Traditional animation sometimes referred as hand-drawn animation or cell animation. Traditional animation, animators draw images, plain piece of paper or filter, pencil and paper using for traditional animation. This technique was dominant form of animation in the cinema and computer animation. Next, 2D vector based animation. 2D vector based animation known as hand drawn animation and double side based animation. Okay, it can be useful draw images by hand before using 2D animation. It can be useful to draw images by hand before using 2D animation, also known as vector based animation. This allows the animator to move individual body parts, redrawing entire character of each frame. Next, 3D computer animation.